сдавайся, выходи, пидор, блядь!
Это морская пехота.
To halt the Ukrainian offensive in Kursk, Russia deployed their elite Marine brigade alongside ill-fated conscripts. However, we can see how these so-called elite Marines are abandoning their positions en masse in the Kursk region. These are the same guys responsible for the gruesome act of beheading 4 Ukrainian soldiers and displaying their heads on sticks. Cowards, as we can clearly see.
Бежит с населенного пункта. Командир роты их в плену. Они, пидорасы, убегают. Штурмуют 225-й батальон. Морская пехота Российской Федерации. Пидорасы конченые.
The negative offensive of the Russian army has started. Z-War correspondents report that the Russian armed forces have started to retreat in the Kursk region. The Russian army retreated in an orderly manner to the eastern bank of the Seym River near Tyotkino. Settlements have been evacuated, and 2 bridges in Tyotkino and Popovo-Ležachi were blown up when the enemy approached. New prepared defense lines were taken up. Kadyrov said he received a Tesla Cybertruck from Elon Musk. He promised to send it to the Special Military Operations Zone and attached a machine gun to it. Elon, thank you. Come to Grozny, I will receive you as the most dear guest. I do not think that our Russian Ministry of Foreign Affairs will be against such a trip, and, of course, we are waiting for your new developments that will contribute to the completion of the special military operation, Kadyrov wrote on his Telegram channel. I wonder how Elon Musk will comment on this. Considering that war criminal Kadyrov is under US sanctions, that doesn't look like a good ad campaign for Tesla Cybertruck. Ukrainian soldiers from the 82nd Separate Airborne Assault Brigade ambush vehicles of the Russian armed forces in the Kursk region.
Адольф, він там, дальше УАЗика, метрів 100, зліва за траншеєю. Сука, сдавайся, выходи, пидор, блядь! Два підера з тієї сторони дороги! Де Нива уїбала? Ще одна їде, вогонь! Єбаште! Блядь! Машина їде з тієї сторони! Браннер, блядь! Так! Стоп, стрельба!
The Russian Defense Ministry began blurring the terrain in videos of airstrikes in the Kursk region after journalists caught them publishing fakes. A new video published by the Ministry of Defense states that a Russian helicopter launched an attack with unguided rockets on a concentration of manpower, armored vehicles, and military vehicles of Ukrainian armed forces units in the border area of the Kursk region. However, the video does not show the attack on manpower and military equipment of the Ukrainian armed forces, only the launch of rockets and the helicopter's site and the entire area in the video, including that which is visible in the helicopter's site, is blurred. How about using drones to snipe a Kalashnikov from the Russians' positions, and then mount it on the drone with a remote-controlled firing mechanism in order to then be able to shoot at the same Russians from the air with their own AK-74? The test shooting took place in the terrain. These territories may have to be surrendered. This is how Russian propagandists discuss the situation in Russia's Kursk region of Russia. By the way, at the same time, they are calling for the communication and internet to be cut off there.
Успокоиться. Ну, постараться смотреть цинично, хотя это безумно тяжело, поменьше эмоций. Посмотреть на карту России желательно, и сопоставить с картой огромной России вот эти потерянные территории. Это очень важно. Да. Эвакуировать надо со всего приграничья, со всего. Готовиться к наихудшему варианту. Готовиться к тому, что этими территориями, дай бог без людей, чтобы вывести всех, включая старушек, придется пожертвовать.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.